Hi. I have a silly little song that that I wrote. I don't even remember writing it. It's called It Ain't Gonna Rain on Me. I got some people living in my porch. I got the baby cartoons on YouTube. I got the daddy doing all my chores. I got the mommy laying on the floor. I don't know if I can take any more of the fortune I have seen. I'm not so lean, never hungered even for a day. My light, she don't never go out. I can read and write, and that's what I do at night. My yard is all green, but I ain't got no car. But it's only 5 blocks to the nearest bar. The bus is free for a shopping spree. There we go. I may be poor, but the heavens are sure. It ain't a gonna rain on me. Hallelujah, the Lord is good, even to the homeless, and so he should. And I am fatherless, and so you see, every word in this book reminds me of me. A father to the fatherless, a provider to the needy, and so it is, even to this day. The heavens are sure. It ain't a gonna rain on me. I know it's a silly little doodad, but I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna share it with you. Love you.